In early 2009, a team of astronauts visited Hubble to repair the wear and tear of 20 years of operating in a hostile environment, and to install two new instruments, the Cosmic Origin Spectrograph and Wide-Field Camera 3, better known as WFC-3. WFC-3 is a combined ultraviolet, visible and infrared camera that dramatically extends Hubble's ability to image astronomical objects. With these new capabilities, Hubble is still pushing the boundaries of science after 2 decades in orbit.
This is the Hubblecast, news and images from the NASA ESA Hubble Space Telescope. Travelling through time and space with our host, Dr. J, aka Dr. Joe Liska.
In episode 30 of the Hubblecast, we saw some of the very first pictures to come back from Wide-Field Camera 3, Hubble's newest and most advanced instrument. Today we're going to look at some of the science behind these pictures. We'll find out how this remarkable new camera is helping Hubble to see the invisible, look far back in time, and spot objects further away from us than ever before.
WFC-3 was installed on Hubble as a replacement for WFPIC-2, the Wide Field and Planetary Camera 2, which for many years had been the main workhorse instrument on Hubble. Not only do the two instruments have very similar names and look virtually identical, the capabilities of WFC-3 are also in some respects just a tweaked version of those of its predecessor, although with sharper images and a more sensitive light detector. But on top of these incremental improvements, WFC-3 also brings a whole battery of new functions to Hubble that are getting us astronomers really excited.
WFC-3 is actually two instruments in one. The ultraviolet and visible light channel is WFPIC-2's replacement, cramming 6 times as many pixels into a similar field of view. As well as providing scientists with higher resolution observations than ever before, the pictures from this part of WFC-3 are also Hubble's prettiest yet, revealing details never seen before through any telescope. But it is WFC-3's infrared channel that is the real breakthrough.
Infrared astronomy is getting a lot of attention right now. It's not just Hubble's new functions. ESA's Herschel Space Observatory, NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope, and the forthcoming NASA ESA CSA James Webb Space Telescope were all designed to work in infrared. Now, one of the reasons for this is that studying the sky in infrared allows astronomers to look at relatively cool objects which emit little or no visible light.